Imagine having a credit score so exceptional that financial institutions practically beg you to take their best deals. It's not just a fantasy, it's an achievable reality. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to attaining an 800 credit score, a golden ticket to financial freedom. Welcome to MoneyWise Investor, your trusted source for financial information. The average American's credit score hovers around 716, which is considered good. But what if you could elevate your financial standing to exceptional levels? Today, we're delving into the realm of achieving an 800 credit score and reaping the benefits it brings. An 800 credit score isn't just a number. It's a passport to financial prosperity. This elite tier, ranging from 800 to 850, is attained only by 23.3% of consumers. Using what is known as the FICO score, lenders categorize credit scores from very poor to exceptional. We're focusing on the cream of the crop, the exceptional range. Why is an 800 credit score so desirable? Think of it as a golden key that unlocks a world of financial opportunities. With an 800 credit score, you'll have access to the best interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. Lenders will be lining up to offer you their most competitive deals, saving you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in interest payments over the life of your loans. But it's not just about saving money. An 800 credit score is a symbol of financial responsibility and trustworthiness. It can open doors to higher credit limits, exclusive credit card offers, and even better rental opportunities. In short, it's a badge of honor in the world of personal finance. So, how do you achieve this coveted credit score? It's not an easy feat, but with the right strategies and discipline, it's entirely possible. That's what we're here to explore today. The 5 crucial steps that can help you reach this financial milestone. Starting with Step 1. Make on-time payments. Your payment history is the single most crucial factor in determining your credit score, accounting for a whopping 35% of your FICO score. The FICO score is used by lenders to help make accurate, reliable, and fast credit risk decisions across the customer lifecycle. Lenders want to see a consistent track record of making payments on time, every time, without fail. Missing a payment, even by a few days, can have a significant negative impact on your credit score. In fact, a single late payment can cause your score to drop by as much as 180 points, depending on your overall credit profile. That's a hefty price to pay for a simple oversight. To achieve an 800 credit score, you must be diligent about making all of your payments on time, whether it's for credit cards, loans, mortgages, or any other type of credit obligation. Setting up automatic payments or payment reminders can be a lifesaver, ensuring that you never miss a due date. But what if you've already made a late payment or two? Don't panic. While it may take some time to recover, consistently making on-time payments moving forward will gradually improve your score. Remember, lenders aren't just looking at your recent payment history. They're evaluating your entire credit profile. So even if you've had a few hiccups in the past, a sustained period of on-time payments can demonstrate your newfound financial responsibility and help counteract those previous missteps. Step number 2. Keep credit utilization low. Credit utilization, or the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, is another critical factor that affects your credit score. It accounts for a substantial 30% of your FICO score. Lenders prefer borrowers who use a small portion of their available credit, as it suggests that they're not overly reliant on debt. Conversely, maxing out your credit cards or carrying high balances can be viewed as a red flag, indicating potential financial strain. So, what's the magic number when it comes to credit utilization? While there's no definitive rule, most experts recommend keeping your overall credit utilization below 30% of your total available credit. For example, if you have a total credit limit of $10,000 across all your credit cards, your total outstanding balances should ideally be below $3,000. But wait, there's more. Credit utilization is also calculated on an individual credit card basis, not just your overall utilization. This means that even if your overall utilization is low, having a single maxed-out credit card can still negatively impact your score. To maintain an exceptional credit score, aim to keep your credit utilization as low as possible, ideally below 10% for both your overall utilization and on individual credit cards. One effective strategy is to make multiple payments throughout the billing cycle, rather than waiting until the due date to pay off the full balance. This can help keep your reported balances low when your credit card issuers report to the credit bureaus. Additionally, consider requesting a credit limit increase from your card issuers periodically. A higher credit limit, combined with the same spending habits, can lower your credit utilization ratio and potentially boost your score. Step number 3. Maintain a long credit history. The length of your credit history accounts for 15% of your FICO score, and it's a crucial factor in achieving an 800 credit score. Lenders prefer borrowers with a long-standing track record of responsible credit management, as it demonstrates financial stability and experience. Your credit history is calculated by taking the average age of all of your open credit accounts, as well as the age of your oldest account. The longer you've had credit accounts open and in good standing, the better it is for your score. But what if you're just starting out and don't have a lengthy credit history? Don't worry, there are strategies you can employ to build credit history quickly and effectively. One option is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card account, preferably a family member or a trusted friend with a long positive credit history. As an authorized user, the age of that account will be factored into your credit history, potentially giving your score an immediate boost. Another strategy is to open a credit builder loan or a secured credit card. While these options may require a deposit or periodic payments, they're designed specifically for individuals looking to establish or rebuild their credit history. It's also important to avoid closing old credit card accounts, even if you no longer use them. Closing an account can shorten your average credit history and potentially lower your score. Instead, consider keeping those accounts open and using them occasionally to maintain their active status. Step number 4. Diversify your credit mix. When it comes to achieving an 800 credit score, diversity is key. Lenders want to see that you can responsibly manage different types of credit, not just credit cards. This is why having a diverse credit mix accounts for 10% of your FICO score. A credit mix refers to the variety of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, personal loans, and even student loans. Having a healthy blend of these different credit types can demonstrate your ability to handle various financial obligations and boost your credit worthiness in the eyes of lenders. But why is a diverse credit mix so important? It all comes down to risk assessment. Lenders want to see that you can manage different types of credit responsibly, as it indicates a well-rounded financial profile and lower overall risk. For example, someone with only credit card accounts may be viewed as a higher risk than someone who has a mix of credit cards, a mortgage, and an auto loan. The latter demonstrates the ability to handle different types of credit obligations, which can be a significant factor in achieving an 800 credit score. So, how can you diversify your credit mix? If you're just starting out, consider opening different types of credit accounts gradually, and when you genuinely need it, such as a credit card and a small personal loan or credit builder loan. As you build your credit history, you can explore other credit types, like auto loans or mortgages when the time is right. Step number 5. Apply for new credit sparingly. When it comes to achieving an 800 credit score, exercising restraint in applying for new credit is crucial. Each time you apply for a new credit account, whether it's a credit card, loan, or even a mortgage, the lender will perform a hard inquiry on your credit report. These inquiries, which account for 10% of your FICO score, can temporarily impact your credit score, especially if you have multiple inquiries in a short period. It's important to understand that not all inquiries are created equal. There are two types: hard inquiries and soft inquiries. Hard inquiries occur when you apply for new credit and allow the lender to pull your credit report, while soft inquiries happen when you check your own credit or a lender pre-approves you for an offer without your explicit permission. While a single hard inquiry may only have a minor impact on your score, several inquiries in a short period can signal to lenders that you are desperate for credit, which can be viewed as a potential risk factor. This is why it's crucial to apply for new credit sparingly, and only when absolutely necessary. Before applying for a new credit account, consider the potential impact on your credit score and whether the new line of credit is truly necessary. If you're simply seeking a higher credit limit or a lower interest rate, it may be worth exploring options with your existing lenders first, as they may be willing to accommodate your needs without the need for a hard inquiry. When you do need to apply for new credit, try to keep your applications within a short period, such as a few weeks or months. This is known as rate shopping, and the credit scoring models recognize that you're comparing offers for a single loan or credit product, treating multiple inquiries as a single event and minimizing the impact on your score. Additionally, be cautious of offers that promise to check your credit with a soft pull or no impact on your credit score. While these may seem appealing, they often lead to a hard inquiry, which can negatively affect your score. In conclusion, achieving an 800 credit score is no easy feat, but the benefits it brings are well worth the effort. With an elite score like this, you'll have access to the best interest rates, higher credit limits, and a world of financial opportunities. To reach this coveted milestone, it's essential to master the 5 key steps we've discussed in this video. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these steps today, and watch as your credit score soars to new heights. If you found this guide valuable, do us a favor and smash that like button. And if you want to stay on top of the latest financial tips and strategies, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know whenever we drop a new video packed with actionable advice to help you take control of your finances and reach your goals faster. Until next time, stay money-wise.